In this video today we are going to talk about Waziper and its current market position. I am reselling Waziper from almost 2.5 years now, and many of the existing customers have moved to some other application or have stopped using this kind of application at all. From the last 10-15 days I am trying to understand what is wrong with Waziper and why there is so much fuss about it nowadays. The biggest mistake few people does is removing license of Waziper and putting the script on null website so people can download this for free, but their intention is not to provide this script for free but to thug these people by luring them into a mess. Many of the people, they download Waziper for free from the null website, and when they install, everything goes for a toss. They lose their trust, and people like us who are investing a lot of money on time on Waziper, they are not able to resell this application. After speaking with many of my existing customers, I finally came to a conclusion why this seems to have gone for a toss and why an amazing application like Waziper has loosened its charm. And this thing is nothing but customization and automation. When I click on this should happen. When I click on that should happen. I need poll, I need number filter, I need buttons, I need list, I need warmer, I need lead generation model, I need live chat, I need AI in chatbot, I need advanced chatbot. So all these automation requests from the last 1.5 year has taken toll on Waziper, because we are losing the main purpose of the application. The main purpose of this application is reaching out to maximum people and create awareness about your product and services. Okay, so when I started selling this application, the version was 2.0.3, then 2.0.4 came, then version 3 came, then version some people introduced their own version 3.5, then 5 series came, then 5.0.0, 5.0.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The current version is 5.1.0. I do a lot of customization. I spend a lot of money on the customization, but nowadays I am realizing that the essence of this application has gone for a toss. The very purpose is not getting fulfilled, and people are losing trust on Waziper. So the number are getting blocked, the campaign is getting stopped, the chatbot autoresponder does not work. This is just because the complexity of the code we have introduced into this script to fulfill some other requirement which is not even useful. Okay, so number filter is useful, I know, but there are a lot of third-party application, very reasonable third-party application available in the market. You can use that to filter the number, WhatsApp number, and use it in Waziper. There are a lot of applications are already there in the market wherein you can use this for a live chat, but people wanted everything in the Waziper, and that is the reason we have created a mess out of it. Okay, so in this video I am going to demonstrate a script which is very plain, which is 5 series only, 5.0.8, but I have made changes not in the core application, but I have made changes to solve the existing issues when it comes to campaign getting stopped, number getting banned, and introduce few of the changes which will help you reduce the number blocking. Okay, so this is the website webbuzz.in. I already logged in. Okay, so you can see that we already sent 1632 numbers. In just few minutes I'll explain you that I have sent these many messages by using one number only in a one campaign, and my number is still active. Okay, so let me explain what we have made changes in it and how it is going to help you when it comes to banning of a number. So I'll go to WhatsApp, I'll go to bulk messaging, and you can see we have sent 1632 messages. Two messages have been failed. I don't know the reason, maybe the number were wrong, or I did not use the number filter, and there is a possibility of number getting wrong. Okay, so what we have done, when we create a new campaign, we have added couple of columns here. Okay, it says self message number, and message gap. Okay, So I have created a video a year ago wherein I have explained some of the processes which we can use to reduce the number banning, like using of a spin tags, using parameters, using WA name. Okay, these were the couple of methods which I have requested you people to use. I am insisting you again in this video to use that, use parameters or name, first name, last name while sending the message, so each message stands out different, and it is very difficult for WhatsApp to identify that the bulk message is happening from one IP or one number. So this will reduce the chances of number getting banned. Okay, now what this process does is, whenever you are creating a campaign, you select the contact group, you select the profile, give any name. Okay, once you do this, enter a self message, for example, hi, how are you? Okay, and enter the self message number, for example 73850851189 with 91 country code. Okay, so the message gap is 5. For example, I have entered message gap as 5. Now the contact group which we have selected, I'll just open the contacts in another window. So this contact group has got about 1634 contacts. Okay, so what we are referring here, what we are mentioning it here, after every 5 message you send one message to this number with content as hi, how are you? Okay, and you create a chatbot with this specification, wherein whenever someone write this, it will shoot the reply trigger. So what will happen here, after every message, 5 messages, one message will be sent to 738508551 this number with a content called hi, how are you? And since you have set up for the chatbot in the backend, one automatically message goes to this number 73850855189. Okay, so within the entire campaign, one number is getting two-way conversation. You can use multiple numbers also. I'll give you the provision in the next update wherein you can use the multiple numbers, but as of now there is one number you can enter, wherein while sending this 1634 messages, after every 5 message this number is getting one message, and since there is an autoresponder in place, there is two-way conversation happens. Okay, so it is very difficult for WhatsApp to identify that there is a bulk happening, because two numbers are having a conversation throughout the campaign. Okay, so this will reduce the number banning what is happening now recently, because I'm getting calls from everywhere saying the issue of number getting banned has increased drastically. So this is one step you can use to reduce the number banning for almost about 80-90%. Okay, so I've just explained you that we have already sent about 1634 messages, 32 messages by using only one number, which is my own number, and my number is still active. Okay, so this script is very basic, though it has got some advanced features also. Let me explain that. It has got poll template, it has got link generation, and when you click on autoresponder, not the autoresponder, chatbot I guess, you can send the V cards. Okay, you can send the contact card. So link generation, poll, V card, these 3 options I already added into this because it is necessary. Rest everything is not there. There is no number filter, there is no advanced chatbot, there is no ChatGPT in AI. So this script is for the people who just want to use this application to send out bulk messages and create awareness about their product and services. Okay, so if you are too much into the automation, you will not be required this script. Okay, but for the people who sends bulk messages every day, their intention is to reach out maximum people and create awareness, they can purchase this script from me. We have changed lot of things in the node application, we have changed lot of things in the PHP application. We have made it sure there is no campaign stop issues. The number banning issues will be reduced drastically by using this method which I have just explained with you. The number is not getting disconnected. You can register, you can test it as per your requirement. And for I'm giving this script for my existing customer for nominal price. Okay, so I'm not giving this as an update and for free. Since I have invested a lot of money into this, we have changed a lot of things in the backend. I'll be selling this script for nominal price to the existing customers. So if you are interested, please get back to me on given numbers and email address in the description, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.